All right, so 17, 17, 17, guys. We're almost done with this part. All right, so 17, 18, 19, and 20 deal with matrices and complex numbers. So all stuff that you will see on the ACT if you take that, if you haven't taken it already. So let's do this real quick. All right, so we have 9 minus 2i and then 3 plus 9i. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put them on top of each other. Make this easier to work with. All right, so here, -2 and a positive 9 gives us a positive 7i. Then 9 plus 3 gives us a 12. And you know what, guys? That's it. That's all you got to do. So 12 plus 7i. Bam. That's all it is. That's all it is. So that was a simple one. So hopefully you guys did that one really easily. All right, 18. We're going to go and work on that one too. That one deals with multiplication this time. So this one's a little bit more work. Just a little bit. Tad bit. All right, so we get that. And so here, because we're multiplying, we can't just be like combine them and everything. That's it. Guys, we have to actually do FOIL or box method, or somebody call it rainbow method. Same, they're all the same things. So 4 times 2 is 8. I think they call it the rainbow method because they use different colors, I'm assuming. All right, so 4 and 7i is 28i. I think that's probably what they said, what they were saying. All right, so 5i and 2 is 10i, a positive 10i. And then the last portion, let me use blue. Hopefully blue works for me this time. All right, so here, doesn't want to work. Oh. Let me use this blue. This one will work. I know that one. All right, so here, 5i times 7i is 35i squared. All right, so with that, we're going to go ahead and try to do some work here. I'm going to go ahead and talk about this portion of I squared, because we know I squared is the same thing as saying -1. We learned that back when we talked about complex numbers. These are complex numbers. I hope I didn't say composite functions, but these are complex numbers. All right, so I'm going to put everything in the same color, guys. All right, so this part, we're going to combine these two, and we're going to also multiply that part. So here we get 8. 28i plus 10i is 38i. And then here, -1 times 35 is a -35. All right, and then last but not least, go ahead and combine -35 and 8. This is a -27 plus 38i. Hey, all right, cool. So that is our answer, guys. Simple, easy, not hard. We got this. Woo! Mr. Hall, we got this. We got this, Mr. Hall. We know what we're doing. We know what we are doing. All right, so let's go to 19. Okay, 19 is another easy one. All right, so with 19, we're going to just add them up together. So I'm going to write the matrices out. All right, so we just combine those. So remember, we're doing our corresponding parts here. So we know here 2 plus 7 is 9. 2, 7, 9. 5 and 3 is 8. 8 and 4 is 12. -1 plus 9 is 8. And that's all she wrote. All right. And then, guys, for the last one, This is the scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. So we have -2 here. And we have 6, 0, -3, and 4. And again, with these, all we're going to do is just distribute it. I'm going to distribute that to everything in here. This is what we talked about again when we did scalar multiplication. We multiply. All right, so if we do that, that'd be -12. That'd be 0. That's +6. And that is -8. So 2 times that's 12. 2 times 0 is that. -2 times that's 6. -2 times 8. 4 is -8. Bam! And again, just for anybody that's like, Mr. Hard, I know how you did the first one, or number 19. Again, we're adding. So we do 2 plus 7. That gave us the 9 there. We'll do 5 and 3. That gives us 8 right there. Easy. We can do 8 and 4. Gives us the 12. And then let me do a different color, green. We do -1 and 9. Add them together, give us 8. All right, so guys, that's the day 2 study guide, 11 through 20. Let's get it. Let's go. We got one more day to do for the study guide, and then we'll take this test very shortly, this final exam. You guys got this. You got it.